Benefits of liver cleansing diets. Liver cleansing diets are never boring. You will eat more vegetables than ever before, delight in fruits, eat different types of protein foods, nuts, and wholesome grains. Herb teas and pure water are included as well as vegetable juices. All foods are made from wholesome organic sources and protein sources are grass-fed and antibiotic-free. The reason why you want to start a liver cleansing diet if you have fatty liver disease is because you want to give your liver the perfect opportunity to regenerate. Medications will never be able to regenerate the liver unless the medications are stem cells. Your body was made to last for many years, and because of all the toxic chemicals, pesticides, herbicides, and heavy metals in the environment now, we all have to cleanse our liver from these substances. When we do, benefits come. Here's a list of some of those benefits. 1. Increased energy levels. Toxins drain your body of energy. 2. Increased mental focus. With fewer toxins in the brain, your mental focus is like a laser. 3. Stronger immune system. Liver cells do participate in immunity. 4. Clearer skin. Your friends will notice how radiant your skin is after starting a liver cleansing diet. 5. Greater creativity. Fewer toxins in the brain means ideas will flow freely. 6. Healthier hair and nails. With a liver cleansing diet, there's no reason for your hair and nails to not grow. 7. Body smells better. Without toxins, your body smells better. 8. Weight loss. That weight around the middle may be due to a sluggish liver. 9. Easier to get up in the morning. Toxins bog you down and make you feel more fatigued. Without them, you spring up in bed. 10. Resetting of the body's sleep cycles. Melatonin may be more efficiently created when liver cells are working better. 11. Relief from allergies. Allergies are a thing of the past if you do enough liver cleanses and eat a liver cleansing diet. 12. No need for body therapies such as chiropractic and massage, or decreased need. Without toxins building up in the joints, you feel freer and have a better range of motion. 13. Vision improves. In Chinese medicine, eyesight is connected with the liver meridian. 14. Depression lessens. Depression is an emotion translated into chemicals in the body. If the liver is clogged, then the body can't break down the chemicals and they recirculate throughout the body. This contributes to depression. 15. Hormones balance out on their own. One function of the liver is to break down hormones and create new hormones. With a pure liver, your body is able to do this easier. 16. Normalization of body functions, heart rate, blood pressure. Over time, a liver cleansing diet tends to balance heart rate and blood pressure. 17. Mood balancing. Since the liver's function includes breaking down the chemicals produced by emotions, when you detoxify, it helps improve moods. If you've got fatty liver, then you're at risk of serious problems, unless you take action to reverse the damage. Because if your liver isn't functioning at 100%, you have zero chance of being healthy. You see, a fatty liver causes inflammation. And the more your liver is damaged, the unhealthier you become. Which means you're more likely to suffer from a variety of life-threatening diseases. These diseases include liver failure, heart attacks, stroke, diabetes, cancer, etc. But it doesn't have to be that way. At least, not if you give fatty liver remedy a try. 'Cause it's been proven to work as long as you follow the step-by-step directions. And because it's all natural, you know it's safe. So go give it a try now. Click the link in the description to get access to the fatty liver remedy.